Morning. It's about 8:15 now in the morning. Class starts in the next 45 minutes. I should be on the train. This is Chinese man DJ had last night. I should be on the train to class right now. But I want to blame DJ for the reason why I'm not going. So let's do that. We overslept. There was not one alarm in sight. I woke up so casually like, wait, am I supposed to be on the train? Am I supposed to be in bed? And they just like, what are you doing? Why are you laying down? What are we doing? But the good thing about going to school in 2023 is you can sign on online if you can't make it to the class. Ooh. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah. I also have Paul class today, so I'm gonna take you guys with me later on after uni. But no, the plan was definitely to go to the first in-person class today, but my body's tired. I don't know if it's the traveling or what, but my body's feeling it these days, boy. But I'll definitely go to the next classroom session. Anyways, let's start the morning routine. Crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you say you hit my line, I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Cause you really found that action. Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, can't post it. How that works? But if you don't get back that shit up, won't you say mine, say mine? So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Or you can go stop playing games, playing games.
We got London on the train.
So it is a bit moist, but
however you want the consistency. If you want a harsh scrub, then more sugar.
But you use it all over your body?
Everywhere. Right now I'm going to use it on my face.
You leave her on or you just scrub her and wash her off? Which one?
Scrub her on my shirt. You can leave her on if your skin's really dry.
It don't really change the consistency. I feel like I made it watery.
If I put too much, but you know it's going on my face. So Yeah, that one's nicer.
Ooh. That looks sexy.
It feels so nice.
I'm like, it look. I can tell the difference, and I ain't feeling it. Yep. Yep. I'm freezing. It's freezing today.
Aw, I wish there was like that.
Oh, yum. Thank you. Oh, wow. Mint. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers. I like it, but it's quite thick.
I wish all them guys did this.
Like it tastes thick.
But even the ice cream, it's not nothing like, what is that?
The pink one.
Is that white chocolate? No.
Amalfi lemon. Or mango. That's pretty though. It looks fruity.
Wings salad.
Wing salad makes sense. That makes sense. That makes me want to make it at home. I'm like, I could make that easily. Just get the boneless ones and season it nice. And chop her up.
That's the strips. That's the one they're looking for. But actual ones with like bonus.
Because when I think of strips, I think of the thin ones, skinny.
Oh, okay.
But when I think of wings, guys, I have called today, but I'm just so exhausted. But I already paid, so I gotta find a way. You want me to bring a bag, or are you okay? Thank God. Hey guys, I just made it back. Just snacking now. I actually like the wings. It's not my Dixie, definitely not my Dixie, but it tastes fresh and it actually has seasoning on, so I'll give it a maybe a 6, 7 out of 10. It's decent. And then I got a cookie there. bought it like 2 days ago.
Okay, because
I
your
haven't
hair's
used it
growing.
once, but my hair be growing because my family's Costa Rican.
Period.
That includes you.
No, B.
That's what even Fingy said. She was like, your hair is growing. I'm like, girl.
This shit I mix it.
But because it's winter, I always keep my hair. Well, you taught me that. There's no point in me telling you who taught me. But this feels so good on the scalp and it smells. Come smell it. It's light. It's light. Yeah.
Can you take a picture?
Take a picture of her.
Is she actually good? Like, what she got in her?
Let's go see. I think this says rosemary and Jamaican castor oil. But you know that Jamaican castor oil, like.
Yeah, I mean, that's what I use now. $13.90.
That's what you put me on as well. When you really use her. Oh.
I used to on rose water. We spend
Rose water.
Yeah, girl, water. And not rice water.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mister, where you get rose from?
But even rose water I have, I think that's good for skin. I don't know about hair.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I think the girls use it as a moisturizer or something like that.
Or like a toner. Oh, yeah,
Or a
yeah,
toner or
yeah.
something like that. I don't know which one, but one.
So cute.
Which one? The
Ooh,
boots?
she both. Ooh,
And I got her in the sale. Imagine. I got her in the sale. You love her.
I love her.
I think I got her a size bigger so she may be able to fit you. Try her on. They have it in black as well. They have it in black. Yeah, that's you.
They still have it?
I don't know, but I got it from the one up the road so you can check.
It fits perfectly.
No, but you're gonna want her bigger, I promise you.
No.
Cause she's bigger on my
You know
foot.
why as
And
well?
I'm grateful because when I wear them fluffy socks,
No, I don't wear socks.
you don't wear fluffy
Do you know
socks?
why as well?
She's sexy.
She's so nice. When it comes to boots,
It's the car.
I have to be careful. I don't even want any size bigger than my actual foot. Too tough. Because you look like a
You look like a
spaceman.
giant. Yeah.
This is gorgeous. And it sucks on. You say
You like her?
I'm about to go get it.
Is you? Before you, instead of you checking the Primark, check the H&M.
Oh my god.
Cause that's where I got her from. But the H&M is bad though. I got some nice winter stuff from
Can
there.
you go there quickly on it?
Because, no,
Okay, let me go on mine.
I need to go. No, we can go before I go pole. Cause I think I'm gonna finish uni at 4 today.
I don't know. You got so many different times. I don't know.
There's so many things happening in it. But the sale, the stuff on the sale wasn't the stuff in the store. It never is. I'm just gonna quickly change my clothes and then go do some grocery shopping. And then I think that will probably be the end of the vlog, so. Hello people, hello. I'm just heading to Lido now to do some shopping. Let's go shop, ciao. I feel like the weather was getting a bit sensible last week, or week before last rather, and then it just completely switched. Like my nose is burning me because it's freezing cold. I love these for work. I just put them in the microwave and then I just put my tuna stuffing or whatever stuffing I'm craving on the day. But it's just so quick and easy to make. you. Guys, I just left Lido and I'm gonna head up the road just to see if I can sign up to this swimming class. I'm just really trying to focus on my weak areas this year, and one of them is definitely not knowing how to swim. I think everyone should know how to swim. It's a life skill, do you know what I mean? And I travel all the time, anything can happen, so it's time I get that one underneath my belt. So I just wanted to double check if you guys do adult swimming lessons here.
We don't do any swimming lessons at the moment.
No. Do you know anywhere in the area that does any?
They're advertising,
Okay.
but I don't know if there was no interest, but it was a third party. It wasn't actually.
It wasn't here.
No.
Okay.
So no, we haven't done any lessons at the moment.
All right, then that's fine. Thank you. Thank you. Such a gentleman. That's the people that play games. Hey, boos, just got in. What's happening?
She just posted that picture. I think she might elaborate.
The volume as well, though. Guys, I'm just go packing out the groceries. Let's do this favorite. I got you this. I couldn't find the other flavor. Yeah. I always see my that one.